In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create wireframe in draw.io. By the end, you'll have a clean saved wireframe built with the mockup shapes in draw.io, including buttons, input fields, and a simple navigation bar. First, open draw.io. Launch it in your browser or open the desktop app and wait for the editor to load. On screen, you should see a blank canvas in the center and a shapes panel on the left. This is where you'll manage the UI elements for your wireframe. Next, click More Shapes. Look to the bottom of the left sidebar and select the More Shapes option. This opens a window where you can turn on additional shape libraries. Now, enable mockups/wireframe. In the window that appears, find the mockups or wireframe categories and check them. This adds the UI components you'll use, like buttons, text inputs, and navigation bars. If both mockups and wireframe options are available, enable both so you have the widest range of elements. Click Apply. The window closes and you'll see new sections appear in the left sidebar for mockups and wireframe. If you don't see them right away, scroll through the Shapes panel. They'll be listed alongside the default shapes. From here, drag UI elements, buttons, inputs, navbar onto the canvas. Open the mockups or wireframe section in the left panel, then click and drag a navbar element onto the top of the canvas to anchor your layout. Next, drag a button and place it where you want a primary action to sit. Add a text input field to represent a search box or form entry. Place additional buttons or inputs as needed to show the main interactions. Release the mouse to drop each element in place. You'll notice alignment guides and snapping as you move items. These help you keep everything neat without manual measurements. Arrange layout. Click any element to select it, then drag to position it precisely. Use the resize handles to adjust width and height so your navbar spans the top and your inputs and buttons align underneath it. Keep spacing consistent, match margins on the left and right, and use even vertical gaps between components. If an element snaps to an unintended spot, move slowly until the guides show the alignment you want. The goal here is a simple, readable structure that communicates hierarchy, navigation at the top, content or forms below, and key actions clearly visible. Don't worry about colors or fine styling. Wireframes focus on structure and flow. Add text and labels. Double-click a button to edit its label and type a clear action like sign in or submit. Double-click an input field and add a placeholder label such as email or search. For section titles or annotations, insert a text label by double-clicking an empty area on the canvas and typing your note. Then drag the text into position near the element it describes. Keep wording short and specific so viewers instantly understand each part of the interface. If the text looks cramped, slightly widen the element so the label fits cleanly. This step makes the wireframe self-explanatory without needing extra documentation. Save diagram. Click the save icon at the top or press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. When prompted, enter a clear file name for your wireframe so you can identify it later. Confirm the save and wait for the saved indicator to appear. This ensures your layout, elements, and labels are all stored and can be reopened for editing or sharing. At this point, you've opened draw.io, enabled the mockups and wireframe libraries, dragged in UI elements, arranged the layout, added clear labels, and saved your diagram. Your wireframe in draw.io is now complete and ready to review or iterate. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.